According to Mushenga, integrity can be defined as the consistency between a person's beliefs, statements, and actions. In the field of public administration, integrity plays a very important role, especially for public servants. One of the main reasons integrity is important is because it helps to build public trust. When civil servants carry out their duties honestly and transparently, citizens will have confidence in the government. Integrity becomes the foundation of people's trust in public institutions. Besides that, integrity is essential to prevent corruption and abuse of power. Public servants who hold integrity will not misuse their authority for personal gain. This helps to create a healthy and ethical work environment where decisions are made based on public interest rather than personal benefits. Furthermore, integrity is important in strengthening leadership within an organization. Integrity is the core of effective leadership. Leaders who demonstrate integrity are able to guide their organizations towards achieving goals and inspire other employees to practice integrity in their daily responsibilities. Next, I will briefly introduce the National Anti-Drugs Agency, also known as NADA. The National Drug Agency was first established in 1996 following the merger of the Anti-Drug Task Force and the Drug Treatment and Rehabilitation Division under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Later, in December 2004, the National Anti-Drugs Agency Act 2004 was enacted and the agency was officially renamed the National Anti-Drugs Agency, NADA. It was then placed under the Ministry of Internal Security. NADA serves as the secretariat to the National Drug Council and is responsible for coordinating all anti-drug efforts in Malaysia. The main objective of NADA is to reduce the supply, distribution, and abuse of drugs. This includes preventing individuals from getting involved in drugs, providing treatment and rehabilitation for drug addicts, and preventing relapse. The vision of NADA is Malaysian society free from drugs, while its mission is main agency fighting drugs.
The anti-bribery management system was implemented by the National Anti-Drug Agency in 2024 under Jabatan Standard Malaysia to provide a structured approach to preventing, detecting and managing corruption risks within the organisation. The adoption of ABMS enhanced accountability and transparency by ensuring compliance with policies and procedures while also enabling the public to report suspect misconduct or corruption by officers. NADA collaborates closely with the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission, which led to the establishment of the NADA anti-corruption policy, outlining clear guidelines, work procedures, and relevant laws to prevent corruption. This initiative aligned with the National Anti-Corruption Plan 2018, which focused on strengthening integrity, efficiency, and credibility to achieve transparent governance.
Now, I will move on to Section 4, which discusses the strategy of integrity in the National Anti-Drugs Agency or NADA. NADA has placed officer integrity as a key priority in its 2024 strategy retreat plan. This means that integrity is not just a value but a core strategy in strengthening the agency's governance and performance. This integrity-based approach helps ensure that all prevention, treatment, and rehabilitation programs are carried out effectively. Next, I will explain the strategies included under this integrity plan. First, NADA focuses on strengthening organizational governance and its officer. This includes expanding prevention programs based on NADA's I Cegah model and developing a profile system that collects data on drug addicts and estimates the number of drug users in Malaysia. This data-driven approach helps NADA plan more effective action. Second, NADA also aims to strengthen treatment and rehabilitation programs in both community settings and institutions, One important strategy is expanding mobile treatment and rehabilitation services, which allows NADA to reach more individuals who need help, especially in remote or high-risk areas. Third, NADA emphasizes scientific research and cooperation with local authorities and international agencies. In addition, the agency promotes a clean, tidy, safe, and healthy workplace environment, which supports integrity and professionalism among officers. Now I will explain how these strategies are implemented. The first implementation focuses on strengthening organizational governance and officer integrity. NADA carries out this strategy by rolling out mandatory integrity training modules under the Organizational Anti-Corruption Plan. These trainings ensure that officers understand ethical standards and anti-corruption practices. The second implementation is expanding prevention programs based on the I-Cegah model. NADA conducts community-based I-Cegah workshops in school and high-risk areas. Digital tools are also used to engage young people, making prevention efforts more effective and relevant. The third implementation involves developing a profiling system for drug addicts. NADA upgrades the National Anti-Drugs Information System by using AI-driven analytics. This system helps profile drug addicts more accurately and forecast future drug abuse trends, allowing NADA to take earlier and more targeted action.
To conclude, integrity ensures transparency, fairness, and public trust in public administration. When integrity is practiced, the public can be confident that services are delivered honestly and without bias. NADA demonstrates integrity through the implementation of the anti-bribery management system, strong anti-corruption policies, and close cooperation with the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission. This effort clearly shows NADA's commitment to ethical governance. As a result, this initiative improves service quality and set high standards for other government agencies to follow. In addition, NADA focuses on prevention programs, rehabilitation, service research, and effective data systems such as the National Anti-Drug Information System or NADI to support evidence-based decision-making. Overall, integrity guides daily action and support NADA mission. By upholding integrity at all levels, NADA strengthens its role in creating a drug-free nation.